Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome to our channel.
Yeah, welcome guys. So welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button down below. Like this video if you love it. Drop a comment down below. So we are about to fly to Akure right now.
And this is someone's first time flying.
Yeah. Who is someone?
You know, I still know you by one flight.
So it's my first time flying, it's the second time flying.
Yeah.
So
There's
don't
going
know
to be a
what
lot of
expect.
flying moving on very soon.
Yeah, very soon. I don't know what to expect, but I think I'll be fine, Sha.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
So we are going to surprise my brother. Is convocating in Akure, and he doesn't know we are coming yet. So we're going to be surprising him and a few other friends of ours, younger brothers, younger sisters.
But we have a lot of people that
Yeah.
are participating in the next couple of days.
Yes, so we just want to surprise them, and that's it. So there's still much more in this vlog, so stay tuned. We'll give you
Stay
updates.
tuned. Yeah, stay tuned.
Bye.
Peace out. So hi guys, we just got to Akure.
Touchdown, baby.
We just came down. I don't know how to explain how I feel, but
Well, did you
I'm
feel
okay,
good?
Sha.
Not
Kinda.
really.
I just felt like I was in a prolonged elevator
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we faced up at one point, started facing down again. It was cool, Sha.
I'm sure people are making fun of you right now in the comment section. Those who have actually had prior, flying experiences and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it's fine. Make fun of my baby.
Yeah,
Very
there's-
soon she will get so used to flying.
Yeah, there's a first time for everything. I think.
Yes, first time for everything. But she acted pretty well. Unlike me, my first time. Oh my god! I just kept looking. Yeah, I was just singing. Oh Lord, my God, when I also wonders. Ah, man.
Yeah, so we're headed to our friend's place, our destination. Yeah, so
Our friends can't wait to see us.
Can't wait to see us. Can't wait to have us around.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Later.
Yeah. Hi guys. So we're currently in Akure and see who is looking for food up and down. Oh, come outside, Jerry.
Yo. It's your boy. To the M, to the I, to the K, to the E. Make it fab. You know what's up. You know what's popping. Let me do like all this Gen Z.
Yeah, so guys, this is where we are staying. Bring your face, Joe.
Yeah.
Where we are staying.
You can see our host at the back trying to hide her face.
Yeah, so she has
disappeared.
Yeah, so guys, we got to Akure late at night yesterday. I said I got to Akure in the evening, got to the house late at night. But
It was a nice one.
nice,
From
Sha.
the airport we took a cab. See, look at you, you're cutting my head.
okay, sorry.
From the airport we took a cab, and to take us to where we are, still inside Akure, 6,000 naira from the airport cab. Once you even try the prices like this, the guy just walks away like, I can show you the price list. It's as if you don't have a choice.
You don't have
You
a
have to
choice.
enter it for 6,000, or you go and trek, and there's no place to trek because the airport is inside Obaile.
Yeah.
So we to look at that like, I'm like,
So we'll pay this money.
Well, I can sanwó yìí because it's like we don't get choice.
Yes, so
Anyway, we are in Akure. My brother doesn't know that we are here yet. I've started making some plans. Join me, guys. I'm drinking Gary.
Oshé.
Glory.
Yes, sir.
What is it you? Come on, do a face.
Yes, sir. Come.
See how I didn't face so.
So yeah, let me bring it here safe.
I'm shy camera.
I'm not
Oh, yeah, show
I'm
yourself.
shy of the camera.
Please, where's milk? I don't need that milk.
In part.
Leave her.
Oh shit. Anyway, guys, so see you guys later.
See it on.
Bye.
I don't look up.
So guys, we're surprising Jibola tomorrow. We have ordered for a cake for him. I mean, we're going a little all out this time, you know, to just make him feel special, you know. You feel like, oh, it's my convocation and blah blah blah. So we ordered a cake. I hope this surprise works though. Like,
Yeah.
we are trying so hard not to post anything, not to make him even have a clue or have an idea that we are around. Yes, even the video we're reading, that's why we did not say anything like we're shooting in Akure or anything like that. So,
But he will know it's in a different place.
yeah.
I just hope he doesn't figure it out, sure.
Yes, so. Alright, guys. Pray for us. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are on our way to Futa to surprise my brother. I already called one of Faith's friend to pretend like she has a delivery for him. So yeah, thank you, Mr. Bikeman. So the reason why I did that is because he would hear a lady's voice coming to deliver, so he would definitely at least wear something presentable, because I don't want to catch him in his boxers. Okay, later we'll give you
Alright,
updates.
guys.
Surprise! Happy convocation, my bro! How do you feel right now? You never experienced it. Hey. Is that tears I'm seeing? Alpha. How are you? Let me use the camera. How are you? You know, I feel from Lagos is like, where's Bill? I did not post my picture because you were mad.
I was checking your status. I knew that something was going to happen.
What was happening? So you think that I will let you do your convocation? How are you? Motion born in Loriokan, I got it. Everyone JP name.
I'm at the mess. I'm at the WhatsApp.
No. I'm hoping no one is straight up. Yeah, latest graduate in town.
Yeah, you gonna lead.
Omodogo, how are you? Okay guys,
Hi, guys.
how are you doing right now?
Yeah, how you doing? Before we go on in this vlog, how many of you noticed the difference in camera quality? Like, did you notice any difference? Did you?
Yeah, so we're actually using a new camera. We got a new camera, Sony ZV-E10
Yeah.
vlogging camera,
Yeah.
and so expect some better quality of videos from us. Right now we are trekking to Akure because of where there is crazy traffic.
Like, look at that.
Look, just take a look.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically,
Yeah, trekking. Trekking is like
which
what's going to be us
reminds
right now.
us the life while we are here as students.
I mean,
You know, trekking is the order of the day
thank God the sun is just
when
not
there's
as
traffic.
much.
Yeah, the sun.
The sun was crazy this afternoon.
Akure sun welcomed us
Oh
to
my
Akure.
God.
That's why it's
I was
called.
having a headache from just a few distances.
Yeah, that's why it's called Sunshine State.
Yes, guys. I mean, It was crazy.
Okay, now just giving you updates.
Yeah, so
we're going to RCF now. We've been to CYF, my fellowship. We're going to my wife's fellowship now to say hello to the graduates, and we'll be on our way home.
Exactly.
Okay, now.
Alright, guys.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Hi guys. As in, we have owed you a lot of updates on this vlog, but we're just going to be updating you right about now. Hope my husband is not too in the background. Say hi to the people.
Hi everyone.
Alright guys, so we are currently headed for Panedian village. We made sure, like, in fact, we almost forgot to actually go.
Yeah.
We almost forgot to actually go.
Our bags are fully packed.
Yes.
But we need to eat that pounded yam
before we go. And we are taking off like in 2 hours or so. But we are making sure that we are going there first. First or first. But it's been fun, Sha.
Yeah, it's been a fulfilled trip down here.
Yeah.
I mean, we achieved the reasons why we came. And even more, you know. So
yes,
it's goodbye to Akure in a few hours.
Yes, so.
There are some things that are waiting for us in Lagos. Tomorrow we have an event in VI.
Yeah.
We're gonna give you all the details by tomorrow.
Yes. Still in this vlog, so just stay tuned.
It's gonna be a beautiful one. Wait for it.
Alright guys.
I do not come here. My trip is not complete. Panedian village, aka Gbabo. You know what I mean? Aka Gbabo. You carry your plate by yourself. No matter who you are.
Hi guys. Yeah, I'm just coming back from Akure.
Home.
We literally just got home. When I got into the house looked taller.
You said
Everything looked weird. Yeah. Everything just looked weird, but I guess it's a normal thing. That's how it feels when you just get back from a long journey. So we had like 3 packages, 1 from Jumia, 2 from YouTube. So I'm going to be unboxing both of them right now in this vlog before we end the vlog.
So we're currently in the YouTube Black Wellness Week, YouTube Black Community Week, and so this time around it's all about wellness, and we are part of YouTube Black community. You know, so we got packages from them. There was a virtual dinner, so they sent us cooked food. Yes. However, we were in Akure, so our neighbors got the food and kept it in the freezer for us. We hope that the food is still good so we can eat it now.
Yeah. Because
we are actually hungry. So yeah, so we're gonna show you what's in the package right about now.
Yeah, right about now.
Boy, it might be frozen. No, let's show it.
Let's just show you guys.
Alright.
Alright guys.
I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start with the smallest.
Smaller one.
This is YouTube Black Community. Hey there. We're super excited to see you soon and hope you are too. Blah 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 blah.
Blah blah blah.
Africa Creator Week. Yes, we are proud African creators. So they sent us a lot of beads. These beads are supposed to help us Funny enough, I think they sent it in twos. Oh no. Man, anyway, I got plier now. Oh, it's not really plier. The point is that, you know, having beats and making beats and, you know, putting beats together, you know, it helps you to declutter, helps you to take time away from your regular hustle and bustle, and helps your wellness. So very, very thoughtful thing by YouTube, Black community. I think my wife is going to be the one busy with this beat. So yes, this is the box that brought our food. Yay! I'm actually not. I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm like,
It's supposed to be
why did we get
actually.
one box? We are two. For God's sake. YouTube Black, kilo share it. Yeah, thank God our neighbor out there just put it in the fridge. So I did mention that we have a YouTube Black event coming up tomorrow. It's gonna be a physical event. That's gonna be one of our first major events that we are attending as the Stalwart lovers, as YouTube creators. We're gonna be seeing all our favorite creators, and we hope that people who will be our favorites too as well will be seeing us. You know, can't miss it. That's why we actually landed today, Wednesday. We're supposed to land tomorrow, but our flight was rescheduled to a time that will make us miss that event, so we rescheduled for tonight.
Uncle, why are you using village style now?
We don't have this in our.
We actually don't. Do we have?
We don't. We don't have. We don't have.
They should have given us one of those things in maybe souvenirs or something.
Yeah.
Finally, right?
When you have teeth.
Ouch. Uncle, what was that? Why do you even blow your drinks?
Why
do you blow your drinks? If I thank God this thing happened to you today, why do you blow your drink? My husband will open a bottle and blow it first.
This reminds me of Fast and Furious. Myself and my friends, you know, Dominic Toretto.
This is nah.
No. I'm serious.
No.
You know we used to drink. Calm down now.
Don't do this.
Oh, babe, what's your problem? Don't be such a killjoy. You know, myself and my friend Dominic Toretto, we used to drink Corona together, not COVID, you know, Corona drink. If you know Fast and Furious, you know Corona, I mean, you know. But since I've not really been in the US of late, this is gonna be a good
You don't
one.
drink alcohol, babe. What's all this nonsense?
Oh, yeah, I mean the non-alcoholic Corona.
Give me, let me taste.
This is.
Let me taste.
Keep recording, my friend. Stop.
Let me
Put your hand down.
Let me taste. Thank you. Alright, guys. See you later. Bye, guys.
Alright, so keep loving.
Keep believing.
We are
The